Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So today we're doing a day in the life vlog, and the word of today is productivity. We have a lot of things that we need to get done, and the goal is to get them all done. A lot of what we're going to be doing today is going to be focused around like getting the house clean, restocking the fridge, grocery shopping, all of that kind of stuff. So as you guys saw, we went ahead and loaded up the truck because our recycling has been overflowing. So we're headed over there right now to drop everything off, and then after that we have a couple of things that we need to pick up for the kitchen, and then we're going to be doing some grocery shopping, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys the disaster of my kitchen right now because it's a mess, and also just cleaning it up, deep cleaning, reorganizing. I got a lot of stuff from Amazon that I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be putting it in the kitchen to just help organize the space and all of that kind of stuff. So that's the plan for today's video. Just want to give y'all a quick little overview of the to-do list. And yeah, we got a little ways to go to get to the recycling. We're trying to get there before they close. It's burning up today. It's 75 degrees. It's probably hotter than that, but my watch says it's 75 degrees. You want to say hi to the people?
Yo!
He's driving. So yeah, just wanted to let y'all know what we got going on today, and hopefully we'll be able to get everything done. So let's get it. So we're back in the car. Just wanted to give y'all a quick update on our progress. So we got the recycling done. We got there like 10 minutes before they closed, and we were able to get everything unloaded. So check, got that taken care of. So the next thing, we just came out of Home Depot. What I was trying to do is get some additional shelving for our cabinets so that I can maximize the space in our kitchen cabinets by adding in more shelving, but we weren't able to find any shelves that were the exact sizes of the shelves that we currently have in our cabinets. So now we're having a dilemma trying to decide if we should buy a miter saw or a table saw so that we can buy the shelves from Home Depot and then cut them at home to the right size. And then the other thing too is that we do have a couple of other projects that we want to do around the house. I want to add pull-out drawers in our pantry cabinet, and I also want to add cabinets and shelving in our laundry room. And so I was telling PJ that it might make sense to just buy the saw, because then we would just have it and we can use it for other projects that we want to do. So yeah, sorry, this sun is doing a lot. So yeah, so we ended up leaving Home Depot so that we can think through it a little bit, do a little bit of research, and maybe even do a little bit of pricing on what is going to make the most sense. So in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and head over to Target. I think I might walk in Ulta just to take a peek real quick, and basically just do our grocery shopping while we think on what we're going to do about the shelving. So yeah, just wanted to pop in, touch base with you guys. I'll keep you updated on what happens with that, but we're going to go ahead and handle the rest of our errands. y'all, so today is a new day. I had to rest yesterday after we went grocery shopping because Mother Nature was trying to take your girl out, okay? So I had to rest after I pretty much got everything unloaded and unpacked. But we're back at it today. Today we're doing the actual main focus of what I needed to accomplish this weekend, which is actually cleaning out the refrigerator. So before I get into actually showing you guys the current state of my refrigerator and the clean out of it, I wanted to show you really quickly a couple of things that I picked up from TJ Maxx or from Home Goods and Amazon that is going to help me to organize my fridge. So the first thing I got are these Lazy Susans that spin. And I got these from Home Goods. They were $7.99. I plan to use them for my salad dressing, sauces, that kind of stuff that I typically keep on the door. I want to put in these to make them a little bit more accessible because I plan to use the door for something else, which I'll show you guys once I start organizing. This is the brand, if you are interested. They were $7.99. They are the clear turntables from Smart Design, and as you guys saw, they spin 360. Okay, so the next thing that I got is a drawer for the fridge. This is what it looks like. The fridge drawer organizer, and I'll have all this stuff linked for y'all in the description if you want to pick up any of it. But basically, it's a plastic drawer like what you would typically have in your fridge that you can install for extra storage. So in our fridge, we have the two bottom drawers, but we don't have those other drawers that typically suspend on the shelves. So this is one that is universal that you can add onto shelving in your refrigerator. So I picked up one of these to separate the meat that we have in our fridge from all the other stuff like bacon, breakfast sausage, all that kind of stuff. That's what I plan to use this for. I think it may change, but that's the plan right now. And then the last thing that I got is an oil and vinegar dispenser set. So that's what this one looks like. It's by the brand Green Olive. I got this off of Amazon as well. And they look like this. I thought these were really cute because they have the O for olive, oil, and the V for vinegar. I think when I said it, I just said olive, but olive oil and vinegar is what I meant. So yeah, I got these off of Amazon. They have really good reviews. They said that they are leak proof and all of that good stuff. So we're gonna fill these up and set them over by the stove. But yeah, I just wanted to show you all of that really quickly before I actually get into the process. And like I said, I'll have everything linked for you guys down below if you're interested in any of it. Okay, so before I actually get into the process of cleaning out everything, I'm gonna wash everything that I just showed you because I literally just took it out of the boxes. But I'm just gonna show y'all a quick overview of before and after of the current state of my kitchen and of my fridge, just so that, you know, you guys can get the satisfaction of the before and after. Don't judge because it's a mess, but yeah, I'ma still show it to y'all. So I'ma just go ahead and show y'all. Over here, these are just all the groceries that I bought yesterday. Things that aren't perishable necessarily that I just left out. And I did want to also show y'all that I picked up these little, like this one is an onion saver and this one is a lemon saver. I picked these up because I'm trying to use less plastic bags. So I got these so that when we have like extra onion, extra lemon, I already have one for my tomato, which I think is already being used. And then I also had this one that I was using for like other things that didn't have a specific onion, lemon, you know what I'm saying, like a specific one like this. But I'm basically just trying to cut back on using so many plastic bags and throwing them away and creating so much waste, getting things that are reusable. So I saw this at the store, We use these often. You might as well say hi. So I picked these up so that we can be less wasteful around the house. And then last but not least is the star of the show, which is my fridge. So this is what it's looking like. Probably not terrible. It's kind of terrible. In my opinion, it's kind of terrible. It just needs to be wiped down. Everything needs to be taken out of here. He clearly doesn't think there's anything wrong with it. But yeah, everything just needs to be taken out of here. I need to go through all of this stuff, throw away things that are expired, and just make everything look a little bit more organized. All right, y'all, so enough chat. Let's go ahead and get into the cleaning. almost 11 o'clock. I've been working on this for at least 3 or 4 hours. I'm exhausted. There's still some other things that I need to do, or that I want to do, but I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night for tonight because, like I said, I'm exhausted. My back is killing me. My feet are killing me. I'm just super tired. So one tip I will give you if you are planning on cleaning out your fridge or cleaning your kitchen is to make sure that you have plenty of time to do it, and probably start a lot earlier than I started because, yeah, I feel like I probably would have not been as tired if I had started a little bit earlier. But I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a tour of the fridge now that I have it all completed, and I'll just show you guys other things as I update my kitchen in future vlogs and things like that. But I'll show you what I was able to get done for today. Hey guys, so today is a new day. Today is Monday, and I wanted to pop back on here with you guys to give you an update on the shelving. So if you remember, we went to Home Depot over the weekend and we were trying to get some additional shelves for our kitchen cabinets, and we ran into a dilemma because they basically told us that they could do some of the cuts but not all of the cuts to the melamine shelves that we were going to buy. Well, we ended up buying the shelves, and someone in our neighborhood actually said they had access to a table saw at their job. So we got the initial cuts done at Home Depot, and then our neighbor took them with him to work and got the other cuts done that we needed, and he just brought them back. So I just wanted to show you guys the shelves. So we got 2 long shelves and we got 2 short shelves. So I'm going to show y'all a before and after of the cabinets, and basically what something as simple as purchasing additional shelving and adding it to the shelving that you already have in your kitchen cabinet, what a difference it can make for adding additional storage. So let me show you. Alright, so this is where the long shelves are going to go. So these are all of our cups and bottles and whatnot, and as you can see, there's like space here and space at the top that isn't being utilized. So adding in an additional shelf will help us to use more of that space. And then on this side, same thing. You can see it even more so over here. Like all of that space right there is not being used. So I'm basically going to drop this shelf down and add in another shelf so that we can utilize more of that space there. And then over here, for our coffee cups, all that space up there is not being used. All this space here in the middle. So basically I'm just going to drop them down so that it's just like one row of coffee cups on each shelf. And then I'm also eventually going to do the same over here, I believe, because I do have one extra short shelf, but I need to kind of figure out, I need to reorganize this. So I'm probably not going to do this cabinet today, but I do plan to use the other shelf over here. So
yo, what's going on, baby?
So the first thing that I'm going to do is take everything, well not everything, but I'm going to take the dishes off the shelf that I'm going to be taking out and dropping down. And then we're going to start getting it organized and repositioning everything on the new shelves. Oh, also too, let me show you guys. So we also picked up these little brackets from Home Depot. We got the shelves from Home Depot also, but we picked up these brackets from Home Depot. So this is what we're going to be using to actually hang the shelves. So let's get to it.
Get paid, little shorty, get paid. 100,000 in the safe, couple thousand in the drain. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. No, I'm always on my grind, 24 for 7 days. Favorite color, money green. Paper. I've been on my grind since I was in the 7th grade. Had my first kid, I was only 17. Always a provider for my pack like Wolverines. But you won't find me on the mountaintop. Need no calculator, I can weigh it cause it kinda lie. Always on my top around that paper like a Michael Scott. Your boyfriend the Dwight, he want my spot, he always round a lot. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. 100,000 in the safe, couple thousand in the jeans. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. No, I'm always on my grind, 24 for 7 days. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. Get paid, yeah, yeah, get the money, yeah. Get paid, little shorty, get paid.
Alright, y'all, so I finished putting everything in, so I just want to show you guys how it looks. Looks so good. You guys remember the before? I'll try to put a side-by-side comparison of the before and after for you guys, but it looks way better now. So much more space. Things aren't stacked on top of each other. And then the same thing over here for the plates and bowls. Oh, it looks so good. I'm so excited. It just literally exactly how I saw it in my mind is how it looks. Everything has a place. Things aren't stacked on top of each other, like I said. It just looks so clean and organized, and I'm obsessed. So we actually ran out of these little, what are these called? Angle shelf supports. So we're gonna have to run back by Home Depot and pick up some more. We had another pack, but these are actually too small. So we're gonna exchange these, get another pack of the ones that actually fit, and then I'll go ahead and do the shelf that has the cups in it. I wasn't able to get to that one because we ran out of the shelf supports, and I actually needed one more shelf support for the top shelf on the one with the plates and bowls. But yeah, I love how it looks. I love how it all came together. It was exactly like I said, how I saw it in my mind, which love that for me. Love when things come together exactly how I envision them. So yeah, I have a couple other things that I need to work on today. So I'm going to pause this video again, and then we'll come back a little bit later when I actually wipe everything down, mop the floors, and do like the final deep clean on the kitchen.